Ki khubor ka Batesi TV
ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Mindirang ba ka jilla Assam uhiminta biswa sarma hakar project leber arajar pausan ulang ba ka jilla Meghalaya bat ka jilla Assam kilakut jengmut banyapen betno ki Tylli ki Jaka bedang don Napdeng ke Ïakajia put Kham kloi kat bala. Kekum ke jeng ong jong u lai Tylli ne ki Tylli ki Jaka bedang don Napdeng ke Ïakajia put ki di besok bah ban penyabeng. Shushu lo angru basyan kini ki Tylli ki Jaka kin sebut sengi na kabenta ka jing penbet pot kenaman weng ki jing chagi patba kaput bat ka jing pia yo put usah mala binshat haka survey of India.
You see, from Assam side, we are eager to resolve the pending disputes. 6 pending disputes are there. 3 out of that 3 are actually we can resolve at any point of time. I think Meghalaya is waiting to see that the other 3 is also resolved together. So we are working on and we will keep on working, and I am sure that the balance 6 will also be resolved mutually. See, this involves people's sentiment of both the states. So time frame is not good, but at the same time we should hope and pray that it will be resolved sooner than later. Survey of India is doing the demarcation and they are proceeding well, but whatever we have signed in presence of Home Minister is binding to both the government.